Hello, I'm Benedicta.
And I'm Sabrina. We are from SMK BICA.
It's sad to hear the news of baby left unattended in the food cart.
Yes, you're right, Tata. As a forgetful person, our teacher, Madam Alice, is worried that someday she might leave her 2-year-old baby in the car while she's off to work.
The objective of our project is create a device to warn the driver about the presence of baby in car.
The limitations of current existing solutions are high price, require internet connectivity, and complicated installation method. Now, let me introduce our solution, the baby in car alarm BICA.
These are the components of BICA.
When the baby is not detected in the car, the alarm will not be activated.
When both baby and driver are detected, short beep is heard.
When the driver is away and the baby is in the car, the alarm will be activated and a warning SMS will be sent to the driver.
There are the benefits of our product. First of all, low cost, which is less than 100 ringgit. Secondly, easy installation, and lastly, no internet connection required.
The impacts of our project are to reduce hot car baby cases in Malaysia, and we provide a low-cost solution to forgotten baby syndrome.
BICA has a very high potential to be commercialized as its selling price is around 100 ringgit, which is half of the price current existing products.